What just got leaked about Lewis Hamilton's SF-25 ahead of the Austrian Grand Prix isn't just big, it's absolutely insane. We're talking about a set of upgrades so critical, so specifically engineered, and so desperately needed that they could flip the script on Ferrari's entire 2025 season. If you thought Hamilton's move to Maranello was starting to look like a mistake, think again. Because this might just be the moment everything changes. For months, the tension has been building. Ferrari's been stuck. Hamilton's been frustrated. The SF-25 has been fast one lap, lost the next. One weekend it's sharp and responsive, next it's a mess under braking and chewing through tires. And through it all, Hamilton has been asking, no, demanding, for real answers. Not wishful thinking. Not excuses. Upgrades. And finally, he's getting them. According to leaked reports and confirmed whispers from inside Maranello, Ferrari are set to bring a game-changing update package to the Red Bull Ring. This isn't some minor tweak to the front wing or a slightly slimmer side pod. We're talking about a fundamental shift, a package that goes straight to the heart of everything Hamilton's been struggling with. Braking instability, addressed. Ride height issues, targeted. Lack of consistency in mid-corner balance, that's right, it's all on the table. And the best part? The Austrian Grand Prix is the perfect proving ground. Fast corners, aggressive curbs, long straights, where drag and stability have to coexist in perfect harmony. If this package works here, it's going to work everywhere. So don't go anywhere, because in just a moment we're breaking down every single detail of these leaked upgrades. What's being changed, how they'll impact Hamilton's performance, what Vasseur has admitted about the development, and why this might be the breakthrough that finally puts Lewis back in the fight. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned until the very end, because what Ferrari is bringing to Austria could be the spark that reignites everything. The most talked about change in Ferrari's garage heading into the Austrian Grand Prix isn't just another winglet adjustment or diffuser tweak. No, what's just been leaked is a radical suspension overhaul. A significant revision to the rear pull rod system on Lewis Hamilton's SF-25. And while the average viewer might gloss over a line like that in a press release, in the world of elite Formula One racing, this isn't just a line item, it's a revolution. Let's break it down. The SF-25, since its launch, has been plagued by one key flaw, inconsistent rear-end stability. And that flaw has cost Hamilton dearly. The issue became headline news in Shanghai, where Lewis was disqualified after excessive plank were due to a ride height that was simply too low for the car's suspension setup. The problem? Ferrari's move from pushrod to pull-rod suspension for 2025 created a new aerodynamic platform, one they hadn't fully mastered. The car was designed to run close to the ground for optimal aero performance, but the suspension just couldn't handle it. That all changes now. This upgrade introduces a redesigned rear pull-rod system aimed at stabilizing the car when running low ride heights, allowing Ferrari to finally unlock the SF-25's intended aero potential. With the new geometry, the car's rear becomes more compliant, better at absorbing bumps and lateral forces through high-speed corners. And that's crucial at the Red Bull Ring. This track features steep elevation changes, brutal curbs, and fast transitions that punish any weakness in the rear suspension. With this upgrade, Ferrari believe they can run the car lower, harder, and faster, without sacrificing reliability or balance. And the benefits don't stop there. A more stable rear allows for a tighter setup window, giving engineers the flexibility to push the car's limits without falling into unpredictable behavior. This means more aggressive camber settings, better aerodynamic sealing of the floor, and more consistent airflow through the underbody tunnels, all of which translate directly into lap time. Let's talk numbers. In Austria, the average cornering speed across sectors 2 and 3 is among the highest on the calendar. Turns like turns 6 and 7 require precise load management from the rear suspension. In 2024, cars that could carry more rear stability through these corners gained up to 0.15 to 0.2 seconds per lap. For Hamilton, a driver known for carrying speed into corners with supreme confidence, these upgrades could allow him to extract every millisecond without the fear of snap oversteer or rear instability mid-corner. But what about traction zones? The Red Bull Ring's layout features 3 DRS zones and multiple heavy traction points, especially out of turns 1, 3, and 4. A planted rear end means better tire longevity, improved drive out of slow corners, and, crucially, better control over tire temperature management. That's been another Achilles heel for Hamilton this season. Ferrari's tire warm-up performance has been erratic, especially on Saturdays. A more consistent rear end means more predictable tire behavior in qualifying, which could finally allow Hamilton to attack Q3 without hesitation or compromise. Now, zoom out a bit. This isn't just about rear suspension. Ferrari have also adjusted the ride height calibration tools and setup options in the garage to align with the new hardware. That includes updates to the floor edge stiffness, tweaks to the diffuser rake angle, and refinements in rear brake duct airflow. Small details that together could unlock another 0.1 to 0.2 seconds per lap, if executed correctly. But as Fred Vasseur made crystal clear after the Canadian Grand Prix, hardware alone isn't the miracle solution. The execution has to be flawless. Ferrari's Achilles heel this year hasn't been pure pace, it's been process. From pit wall decisions, to miscommunications on radio, to the inability to adapt quickly to changing track conditions.